everyone, I'm Joy from 5-Star Auto Leather, and today I'm going to show you around our workshop. So let's put on our mask and let's go. This is our main workshop space. I apologize for the mess, but today we have quite a bit of business. So let me show you our office space first. This is our office, and we have sample leathers on display and track colors. And this is our lady boss, how I work. Our workers here are busy installing leather seats for all your cars. And I see our president is busy designing new two-tone leather seat design for Mazda 2. And here's Akun working on the Toyota Harrier steering wheel. Alright, that's it. That's all for today. See you guys soon.